Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will model and record two-digit subtraction. 43 minus 17. Let's start by creating a model of 43. We have 4 tens and we have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. We need to subtract 17. Let's start in the ones place. 3 minus 7. If we notice here, we only have 3 ones. We can't subtract 7. Let's regroup a 10 and turn it into ones. Now we notice that we have 10, 11, 12, 13 ones, and we have 1, 2, 3 tens. Now we can subtract 13 minus 7. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means that we have 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. 13 minus 7 equals 6. And now let's do the tens. 3 tens minus 1 10. 3 minus 1. We had 3 tens and we subtracted 1 10. We still have 1, 2 tens. The difference is 26. 52 minus 37. Let's start by creating a model of 52. We have 5 tens and 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 2 ones. Now we notice that we have to subtract 7 from the 2 ones. That means we don't have enough, but we can regroup a 10 and turn it into ones. Now we notice that we have 10, 11, 12 ones, and we have 4 tens. Now we can subtract 12 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count how many ones we have left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now we can subtract the tens. 4 minus 3. 4 tens minus 3 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. We still have 1 10 left. The difference is 15.